Hey y'all, how's it going? It's John and my friends call me Turn Ridges 85 here. Welcome back. Hope everybody's doing good. Welcome to the winter wonderland of Middle Tennessee. Uh, yeah, we got some snow. Uh, as you can see, plenty of snow. Plenty of snow, plenty of snow, plenty of snow. Through there so much that the Black Beauty's covered up, my car's covered up, and I'm glad I fixed that window regulator on there before it hit. But yeah, it's coming pretty good out there. It's still coming down as we speak. I'm gonna try to get out here and try to clean these cars off. Even though it's probably gonna accumulate more, but I'm just gonna clean them off so they don't get frozen up too much there with that, because it's supposed to drop down in the single digits here in Tennessee tonight. So let me see. My blower will work. I'm gonna try to get my blower out and see if that will help get some of this off of here. So let me go get that set up here. Let's see how. I'll show you how thick this snow is. Look, I'm gonna step down in it right now. Look how thick that is. Let's see if I get that blower out and see if that works. I'm gonna see if I can try to clean some of these cars off. Alright, I haven't used this thing in a minute, so I don't even know if it's going to start. I didn't winterize it yet, but it's still got a full tank of fuel in it. So, let's see if I can get this thing to crank up and... up a little bit. Or not. Yeah. Got that trick from Henry from Mowers and Blowers. I saw him do that in one of his videos. It's beginning to look a lot like winter. out here and it feels like 2. It doesn't was on. That's the smart way to do it. See? It's the only time you see me smoking. Done. There's a joke there somewhere. Why am I doing this? Well, I'm trying to keep from freezing. So if I get this off of here, it shouldn't freeze as bad. I know it's still snowing, so why is this not doing this? Very good. You know what? It's content. Let me get over here. See if I can get this off my car. I'm kind of winterizing it because I'm going to run it out of gas probably because it had a full tank of fuel. I bet you it's cold out here. Just a little bit. Ooh, well, I didn't want to start up at first. Still got to clean it off some more. But, you know, it kind of works. Should be wearing gloves. Hey, what are you guys falling down for? Sorry, I didn't have you guys locked in. I got to fire that camera guy. Yeah, it's getting it off of there. Oh. You know what? You guys should invest in these frost guard things. I got them at Walmart where I work at. It actually works pretty good. It keeps the frost off the windows there. Fortunately, I got one from a truck, but it's a plus. It's a plus. It's a plus version because this truck is like really wide there. So I gotta get it off of Black Beauty there. That car is my friend's car. She got to get some work done to it, so I'm not really worried about cleaning that off at the moment. But this, I'm just going to try to clean this off some more. So let me keep it on. Put you guys on a time lapse doing this. So I'll do this and I'll bring you guys back. Oh, Tiki said, I'm not going to be part of this. He don't want to be part of this?
He went that way and run back. Well, it's on both sides, baby. He said, I can't get out.
Our dog has, our little Chihuahua has no part of this. All right, I'm going to keep on keeping on. Put you guys on a time lapse. Oh, Tiki said, I'm not going to be part of this. He don't want to be part of this?
He went that way and run back. Well, it's on both sides, baby. He said, I can't get out.
Our dog has, our little Chihuahua has no part of this. All right, I'm going to keep on keeping on. Put you guys on a time lapse. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, it's snowing out here. I know. It's snowing out here. It's snowing out here. You want to go play in the snow? Go play in the snow. Go play in the snow. Oh. Oh, no, it's too deep for you. No, it's too deep for the baby. I know. He's like, what am I going to do? Yep, he said, I'm going back. He want no part of this. got both my truck cleared off, and I got my car cleared off there. Pretty good, pretty good. Ooh, it's cold out here. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay out here. Like I said, it's 13, feels like 2. Like I said, I bought these. Well, this one I had to order off Walmart's site because we didn't have it at work. But I had to get this for my truck. This helps, you know, with the windows, because look, I'll show you. Look. See, windows are not even frosted over there with that. And then, of course, I have this one here. I've had this one. This was on Big Red at the time, and when I got rid of that car, I kept that and put it on my Camry there. So I got the snow a little bit cleared off. There's still a little bit there. I'll get that off of there later. But anyway, let's go look around here. Show you guys what it looks like here. Unfortunately, there's ice here. They're talking about some more snow gonna be showing up here. See if I can get out this gate. Yeah, that shows how thick the snow is. Look at that. Let's see. Our lights are covered up. Look at all down in our neighborhood here. There's some vehicle. There's some vehicles trying to get out right now as we speak. You know, all down that way. I haven't really seen nobody coming down this road very much. People are trying to get out right now. Let's take a look. Let's look out here. Let's look around. Let's look around. I don't think there's... We didn't even get... Well, it's a holiday today. Okay, so there has been cars coming down this road, but not very much, though. So, there, so... well, this is winter wonderland here in Middle Tennessee. Something we don't see very often is snow. And let alone... We don't sell snow blowers around here because we don't really get snow very much, like up north where my family lives. We get snow. They get snow a lot, so they sell a lot of snow blowers and stuff up there. I know Henry, I think he got snow up there, so hopefully now if he's making some sales up there. And Casey Bullington, I know he lives up in Iowa, Des Moines area. I know he's probably getting some snow, so I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna probably get out of here. My hands are starting to freeze, and I haven't been out here that long. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you guys our winter wonderland here real quick. I can show you guys real quick our the snow. Everything got pretty much covered up. All trailers covered up and everything there. I just wanted to do a little video of you guys me doing this. I think I'm gonna go back in. It's cold out here. I ain't got no gloves on. Look at the birds. I'm not gonna go over there to scare them. They're eating. My mom just fed them here. Let me get you guys in a little bit on that. Look at that. See the birds? She fed them, so they're enjoying the food. There. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get off of here. Getting cold, so I'm gonna end this video right here. All right, guys. Well, that ends this video of me playing in the snow. I wasn't gonna worry about the cars, but my mom wanted me to clean them off anyway, just in case. We're probably not gonna get out in this. They're advising people not to get out in this because it's as quick as they're clearing it off, it's coming right back down. So it's not going away anytime soon, and they're calling actually for more during the week. This is Monday. I think either Tuesday or Wednesday here, and actually during I think this week and part of next week, we're not even supposed to get above freezing here because, like I said, it's I'll show you guys here. My phone doesn't even want to work. It's January 15th. My birthday's actually on the 19th. Here's probably can't see. My phone's saying 13 degrees here. So, you know. And it's snow. So, yep. Yep. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up there. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And a lot of people watch my videos are not subscribed, so please like, share, and subscribe. Keep the algorithm going for me right now. I was gonna work on some mowers, but that's not gonna happen right now. But anyway, keep on turning those wrenches. Stay warm and stay safe. I'm not going anywhere because back then when this happened about 2 years ago, I got out in it when I had Big Red at the time, and I smacked against the guardrail with it, and I had to fix the light on it. So I'm not gonna mess up this truck here. So it's gonna stay right here. It's not going anywhere, and we're not going anywhere either. We got plenty of food to hold us up, so we don't have to get out if we don't need to. So anyway, like, share, subscribe. Keep on turning those wrenches. I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all take care.